Yeah, how to get us chucked out.
I don't trust my mum. I thought you've already got one.
High five. Where are we going now?
Huh?
Where are we going now? Back to the Transport Museum.
Because last time, my dad didn't get enough footage to make it into a video.
Well, I'm sorry.
Dad, it's only 340 meters from there. Oh, I've just been born.
You want to introduce me?
Huh?
Introduce me to your new friends.
Penelope.
Penelope, that's a good name. And what's the gentleman?
He's called Tom.
Don't touch me. Tom and Penelope.
Yeah.
Not want to dance. Stand up, quick.
Oh no! Why are like trains these days so not comfortable? Feel that?
Oh, that's lovely. It's like a sleeper carriage.
I could just go like from here to Aberdeen, Inverness and back.
Where's this bus going to?
Greenford. The Northern Line train.
Chucked out.
I don't trust my mum. Dad, I can't. How do you do? Read what it says. Read the out.
Ooh, it's a weird one.
It's not
Having descended into the bounds of the...
Hello.
Hello.
Where's this tram to?
Look, I think like.
Help me.
It'll be backwards.